What else?
In the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Carrol County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Scioto Mills to Bellevue State Park, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. These are destructive storms. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Lena, Bellevue, Stockton, Leonard, Milledgeville, Preston, Fairhaven, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cheyenne, Shadarville, Woodbine, Sabula, Chadwick, German Valley, and Miles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The